Okay, so this is the video for Drumbot Project Level 2. So you should be watching this video if you've already completed Level 1. And then Level 2, I'm going to teach you how to take our basic rock drum beats that we've been practicing clapping in class and how to put them into the Drumbot sequencer. So I'm going to go to Google Chrome and I'm going to open up the Drumbot sequencer. And once I get to Drumbot, I'm going to open up the the empty kit that I saved in level 1 so that I don't need to set everything up. So I'm going to find level 1 empty kit, and that's going to set me up. So now I've got my hi-hat across the top, I've got my snare, and I've got my kick drum. Okay, and if we look down here at beat 1 for our basic rock beats, so across the top with the X's, our eighth notes, our TTs are the hi-hat. Okay, and in the middle, that's our snare drum, and at the bottom we have our kick drum. So I see that our hi-hat is always going to play just eighth notes, TTs. So I'm just going to put TTs across the top. And there's our hi-hat. Okay, there's our hi-hat, and now I'm going to see my snare is on beat 2 and beat 4. And of course, we've learned in class that when the accent is on 2 and 4, the strong beat is on 2 and 4, we call that a backbeat. So we are creating a backbeat. So we're going to put the snare on 2 and 4. And then I am going to look down at my kick drum, and I see there's a kick drum, a quarter note on 1, and a TT pair, eighth notes on 3. So 3 and. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Snare, kick, kick, snare, kick, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. Let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, now you should notice if I bring this up close, you should see that the pattern looks pretty much the same. Okay, so everything is lined up on the beats, and we can use our eighth notes along the top to mark our beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So there we go, we're done beat 1. So I'm going to save that. Okay, so click save, and I am going to save it as Drumbot level 2, comma, beat 1, because I copied beat 1. Okay, so now I've already created beat 2. So I went ahead and I did that, so we can look at that. Here we've got 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. And of course we've got eighth notes on the hi-hat. Eighth notes on the hi-hat. Let's hear what that sounds like. One and 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. So I'm done that. So I'm going to click save, and I'm going to save it as Drumbot level 2, beat 2. Save. Okay, so your assignment for this level is I want you to pick 3 of the beats that we've been practicing now, but I just did beat 1 and beat 2, so you can't pick beat 1 and 2. I don't want you to just copy me from the video. I want you to do it on your own, so you can pick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. Okay, and I want you to pick 3 beats and put those into the Drumbot and save those, and then you will be done. And the last thing you need to do, of course, is go to your Google Classroom page and submit. And I will pause the video for a second, and then I'll be back to show you how to submit. Okay, so we're going to go to our assignment Drumbot level 2. We're going to click on that. And just like last video, we're going to add, file, select files from your computer, and we're going to find Drumbot level 2. Now I did beat 1, add more files, Drumbot level 2, beat 2, and of course you're going to have 3 beats, so you would have one more file that you would need to add here. Okay, and of course you're not going to have beat 1 and beat 2, you're going to have different ones, so it might be beat 3, beat 7, and beat 9, or beat 2, beat 6, beat 10, whatever 3 beats you choose. Once you've uploaded your 3 beats, click upload, and then click turn in again, and you are done level 2. And if I check it and if everything is correct, then you are ready to move on to level 3. And that's all for this video.